All right, so in this video we are going to open an existing file in Cayman. So we're going to go up to the top left and push File, Open, or Control O. And then here we're going to go to Google Drive, My Drive, EFI Connection. You're going to go to Software, and under Software you're going to look for Cayman version 15, and then Cayman Production, the very top one. And then here is where all of your Cayman files will be stored for assembly. And from here, depending on which assembly you're building for, either bench force, Holly extensions, HB tuners, single article wires, Warren diesel, all have their own folders. And then down below will be all of the other EFI part numbers to pull wire for. And then you're just going to select open. So I'll open 1931. And then it will pull open your assembly and you will be able to cut wire.